The best way to deal with spiders in the house. Make a secret spray and use it on your curtains, window frames, and door frames. It will effectively repel spiders and discourage them from crossing the threshold of your home. You don't need much to make this mixture. You probably already have everything you need at home. For the first part of the recipe, grab some lemons. Cut them all in half and squeeze out the juice. The smell of citrus is one of the few scents that spiders truly dislike. Pour the squeezed juice into a measuring container. Add twice as much water. This amount will be enough to make a good batch of the mixture. Pour only part of it into a spray bottle. We'll top off the bottle with a second ingredient to make the spray stronger and more effective. Regular mint is an excellent spider repellent. Just a few sprigs will do. If you don't have fresh mint, you can use mint tea bags instead. Prepare a heat-proof jug or pot. Throw the mint in and pour hot water over it to brew. Once the infusion is cooled, add it to the bottle with the lemon juice. Spray this mixture on curtains and drapes. It will freshen up the room, and you won't find a single spider behind them. Sprayed window and door frames will smell pleasant, and spiders, even flies and mosquitoes, will stay far away.